Hey guys, today I want to show you how to make a slime with hand sanitizer. All you need is hand sanitizer, something to mix it, like this one. I have this, and a recipe. Let's try. I never did this before, so if it's not gonna work, it's gonna be a fail. I'll post on YouTube, you know. So it's hand sanitizer. Let me show you. It's hand sanitizer. Okay. It's from Forever hand sanitizers with aloe vera, and honey. Okay, it smells very good. This is a slime during lockdown, you know. Everybody, I think, has a hand sanitizer in the house. Okay, and I saw this on YouTube, so she just mix it and put in the freeze for about 10-15 minutes. Yeah, I'll mix it and I'll put in the fridge or freezer. Yeah, in the freezer. How about that? Subscribe and give me a like, and also a share on Facebook or wherever you want. But don't forget about subscribe. It's gonna help me a lot, you know. And also leave me a comment if you wanna see other kind of slime, like slime with shampoo, slime with toothpaste, slime with I don't know, whatever you want, face mask. Yeah, I'll try to do them. Okay, I'll put in the freeze. Look at this. This is an experiment slime with water beads, you know. Look at this. Wow. Here is the slime. Ooh. Nice. Okay, so I'll put in the freeze and see you back in 15 minutes. Okay guys, we are back with the hand sanitizer, and it's not working. It's just hand sanitizer. What a stupid guys. Yeah, it's nothing special. Okay, it's hand sanitizer. Okay, let me put some maybe activator, but I don't think it's gonna work. I do not think. Gonna get slimed? No. More liquid. It's liquid. Nothing slimed here. Yeah, this is a fail. So guys, some of the people they are lying on YouTube. Be careful, this is not working. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a like, a comment, and also let me know what you want to see in the next video, because you know most of the people on YouTube they lie, and I want to make real videos, you know, real videos. Like this slime, they're lying. They said it's gonna work, but nothing happened. I mean, I can see something there, but no, nothing. Yep, see you next time.